Hi guys! Today we are going to install MySQL. First, we have to go to the web page dev.mysql.com. All links I'll put in the description under this video. On the page, click Go to Download page. Then choose the second installer. Then click No Thanks link to start downloading the file. I've already downloaded the file. You should double-click the downloaded file. Then we have to choose Custom Installation and click Next. Then we select MySQL Servers, select this one, then Applications, MySQL Workbench, this one, MySQL Shell, this one, and that's all, and click Next. The installer may find that additional Microsoft software needs to be installed. If you get this screen, choose Execute. Then click I agree and install. Then click Close, and you can see the required software is now installed. Choose Next button, click Next. And then click Execute to start the installation. Now the installation is done, and we can click Next button to start the configuration step. Here we click Next, click Next, have to click Next, and we should create a password for default root account, and then we will click Next. Next. This window we have to leave the default and click Next button. Then we click Execute to save the configuration and start the database. Execute. Now installation of MySQL is done, and we click Finish. Then we click Next and Finish. Welcome to MySQL Workbench. MySQL Workbench should start and find the local MySQL instance. We have to double-click local instance and enter the password you created earlier. Click Save and OK. And then go to Databases, connect to database. Select local instance, localhost, root, then click OK. In the next video, I will show you how we can work with database. We will create SQL queries, and we are going to learn a lot about SQL.